Top headlines for the day.
Couple of months back, some tabloids insisted the most eligible bachelor of Bollywood, Salman Khan, was to make it official with his rumored girlfriend Julia Vanter. But regardless of that, don't you think Miss Vanter is missing and being replaced by Urvashi Rautela from Khan Khandan? इन दिनों अफवाहों का बाजार गर्म है that something is brewing between Salman Khan and Urvashi Rautela. The chances are thick as Urvashi has been snapped at Khan residence in Mumbai's Galaxy apartment. However, this might just be the case like other actors who Salman Khan has taken under his wings. Well, Urvashi might be paying these visits so as to seek some advice or help from Salman in her career. Reports also suggest that the great Grand Masti star might just be the new girl in Salman's life. अब इन अफवाहों में कितनी सच्चाई है ये वक्त आने पे ही पता चलेगा. What do you guys think about this rumor about Salman and Urvashi? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below.
In Bollywood, many actresses have stated their views against their wage difference with the actors. And now, Priyanka Chopra has become the latest Bollywood actress to fire a salvo against the wage gap that exists not just in the Indian film industry but also in other businesses. In a recent interview, the Quantico actress said, "So when you have an Aamir or Salman on the poster, they make 300 crores. But movies with female leads simply do not make that kind of money. The day female lead films make or command that much money, we will make that much too. But for that to happen, the audience needs to watch a movie because it's got a great story and not just because a particular star is in it." So, what do you guys think about Priyanka's statement? Do let us know and share your views in the comments section below. Well, if you thought that Salman is busy shooting for Tubelight, then we have some news for you. हमें मालूम है कि सलमान के बड़े फैंस हैं हांगकांग में, but when he took off to an unknown destination, leaving us clueless, हमें क्या पता था कि वो हमें मिलेंगे हांगकांग की गलियों में? जी हाँ, you heard us right. Salman has recently been spotted posing for selfies with his Hong Kong fans. A series of photographs and selfies of Salman interacting with his fans have gone viral. So जहाँ stars छुपाते हैं अपने plans, वहाँ ये simple selfies leave a trail to their secret whereabouts. Now that leaves us wondering as to what Salman is doing in Hong Kong. Well, is it for Zuzu or something else? For that we guess we'll have to wait and watch. Looks like controversy surrounding in Karan Johar's "Ae Dil Hai Mushkil" are just refusing to die. The latest being, things got really hotter when fans were protesting against a controversial dialogue referring to Mohammed Rafi in Karan Johar's "Ae Dil Hai Mushkil." जी हाँ, fans not only in Mumbai but also in Nagpur and Delhi have protested against Karan Johar. Nagpur witnessed a peaceful protest, but things took a fiery turn at Jantar Mantar on Saturday. However, things got a bit hotter literally when a group of Mohammed Rafi fans gathered at Jantar Mantar, chanting slogans against Karan Johar, and people started burning posters of the film. Next, they took out a picture of Karan Johar and set it to fire. Karan Babu, fans को नाराज करना अच्छी बात नहीं, क्योंकि फैंस की एक तरफा प्यार की ताकत से ज्यादा और कोई प्यार की ताकत हो ही नहीं सकती, है ना?
Twinkle Khanna, aka Mrs. Funnybones, will be seen in her element in Karan Johar's Coffee with Karan Season 5 with hubby Akshay Kumar. If you thought that the premiere episode of the show featuring Shah Rukh Khan and the chirpy Alia Bhatt had a number of laugh-out-loud moments, then we suggest bracing yourselves for what's coming next. For this Sunday's episode, we'll see Akshay Kumar share the couch with his wife Twinkle Khanna. She will leave you in splits when Karan will ask Twinkle that what does Akshay Kumar have that the Khans don't, as she simply says, some extra inches. Instantly adding, "Don't look at his crotch, I meant his feet." You have always had your mind in other people's crotches. With the makers teasing us with such hilarious tidbits from the show, we can't wait to see the full episode.
India's tennis sensation Sania Mirza took onto a Twitter handle to declare that she's all set to make her debut on Coffee with Karan. A visibly excited Sania not only posted, Coffee Anyone, debut on Coffee with Karan, but has also posted an image from the set. The photo shows a pretty Sanya dressed in a lovely red gown designed by Amit Agarwal. Sharing the couch with Sanya is none other than Karan's another bestie, Farah Khan, who was also seen sporting a green gown for the show. Farah also took on to Twitter to declare that it was she who won the hamper. Bollywood's ace choreographer tweeted, "Shooting for Coffee with Karan with my two favorite people, Sania Mirza and Karan Johar, won the hamper." Season 5 began with Shah Rukh Khan and Alia Bhatt getting candid on the show. Karan has promised the show to be hotter and more fiery thanks to his, yes, you guessed it right, the rapid fire round. Till then, stay tuned for more.
Once again, sizzling Parineeti Chopra and handsome Aditya Roy Kapoor are all set to reunite after their Daawat-e-Ishq. No, not for another romantic comedy, but this time for Kejjo's celebrity chat show Coffee with Karan. The former co-stars who continued to be friends after the release of their movie will be seen sharing the Coffee with Karan couch real soon. And facts not to deny that they both looked amazing off-screen too. The episode will be full of laughter and crackling moments with Pari and Adi. Well, हमें तो बेसब्री से इंतजार होगा to watch Pari and Adi sipping coffee with Karan. What about you guys? Aren't you excited to see this crackling episode having Parineeti Chopra and Aditya Roy Kapoor on Coffee with Karan? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below.
Force 2 is all set to release on November 18th, and so Sonakshi Sinha and John Abraham are on the promotion trail for their upcoming action thriller. Recently, the duo also dropped in on the sets of Comedy Nights Bachao to talk about their film, and both looked amused and appalled at Bharti Singh's antics. At the starting of the show, Bharti Singh will be seen welcoming John and Sonakshi in the Bachao cab, and later on John and Sonakshi will be seen doing a lot of masti and mazak with all the comedians, while Krishna Abhishek will be doing a lot of tang khichai. On the other hand, comedian Bharti Singh will be seen expressing her love for John. Aren't you guys excited to see this hilarious episode of Comedy Nights Bachao? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. Whenever Anushka Sharma and Shah Rukh Khan appear together on screen, their chemistry creates a wholesome magic. Whether it's being Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi or Jab Tak Hai Jaan, their on-screen presence never fails to entertain us with their sizzling chemistry. And now once again, they are reuniting. No, this time not for any movie, but this duo will soon be seen on a popular chat show, Yaaron Ki Baraat, where Shah Rukh Khan and his Tani partner will be seen recalling many hilarious tales about their friendship. And the host of the show, Ritesh and Sajid, will add more flavor to this fun, along with their witty questions. Sounds pretty interesting, hai na? So are you excited to see Anushka and Shah Rukh on Yaaron Ki Baraat? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. Well, kal raat jab many were left grappling with PM Modi's surgical strike on black money and terrorism, Bollywood took on to Twitter to make themselves heard. While Big B was all gaga with the pink color, the 2000 note, Bhumi Pednekar, was all gaga about the move that will force people to declare their unaccounted money. Rupees 500 and Rupees 1000 were two very crucial currency denominations which has been discontinued from midnight. Yep, the Rupees 500 and Rupees 1000 notes in your wallet and purses will now be of no use. Superstar Rajnikant tweeted, "Hats off Narendra Modi ji, New India is born." While Amitabh tweeted, "The new 2000 rupees note is pink in color, the pink effect." But no doubt, this hush-hush change will bring about a new wave of change in India's economy, isn't it? Looks like things between John and Salman aren't that well. The news doing the rounds is John Abraham and Sonakshi Sinha are currently promoting Force 2 on all the reality shows. However, John will not be seen promoting Force 2 on Bigg Boss. Hence, Sonakshi Sinha will be making a solo appearance, informs sources. News of Salman and John, who had a fallout way back in 2006 during a concert, had made it to the headlines. However, the duo had a patch-up on Bigg Boss 5 when Salman and Sanjay Dutt had co-hosted the show. However, last year again things went sour between John and Dabangg Khan when Salman's hero clashed with Welcome Back. John had tweeted saying Welcome Back would release on September 4th, and 2 days later, Salman took to Twitter to say back off, hero coming on September 4th. Wonder if that's the reason John is avoiding Salman's show. What do you think? Do let us know.